Hey there, productivity enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the best tools to supercharge your workflow. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to create a calendar in Monday.com for 2025. Monday.com is an awesome project management platform that helps you visualize your tasks, deadlines, and events in one place. Whether you're planning your personal goals or managing a team, a custom calendar can keep everything on track. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account. If you're new, sign up for free. It's quick and easy. Once you're in, head to your dashboard. This is your home base, where all your boards and projects live. Now, click on Create in the top right corner to start a new board. Name it something like 2025 Calendar, so it's easy to find later. Next, select the board type. For a calendar view, choose a timeline or calendar template from the options. Monday.com offers customizable templates, so pick one that fits your needs, maybe something for events or deadlines. After that, switch to the calendar view by clicking the view icon on the top bar and selecting Calendar. This will transform your board into a visual grid. Now, let's customize it for 2025. Click on the date range settings and set your start date to January 1, 2025. And end date to December 31, 2025. You can add items by clicking the plus button. Enter your events, tasks, or milestones, and assign dates to them. Don't forget to color code for better organization. For example, make work deadlines red and personal events blue. It's that simple. Once your calendar is set up, you can invite team members or share it via link for collaboration. Monday.com also integrates with Google Calendar or Outlook, so your events sync seamlessly. And there you have it, a fully functional 2025 calendar tailored to your needs. If you follow these steps, you'll be mastering Monday.com in no time. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below with your favorite Monday.com features. See you in the next video.